Just imagine you could generate unlimited LinkedIn leads on autopilot while doing your work, your business, or just living your life. Hi, my name is Inderpreet, and you're watching AI Logic Works. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build LinkedIn lead generation engine with N8N, Apify, Apollo, and Google Sheet. And all of this without writing any code. And yes, I'm giving that exact workflow template which I personally built absolutely free. But before you jump directly to the video description, let me walk you through how this LinkedIn lead generation automation actually works. We are using N8N automation for this unlimited LinkedIn lead generation. And this is the workflow, as you can see. This is the complete workflow. So, I will explain all the nodes one by one, but before that, just let me give you a quick demo. The link, Apollo link, we have to put, and lead. I am scraping just for a demo, and we just scrap it from the Apollo. I just put a wait of 30 seconds here. Then the data will be retrieved. It will check the availability. If it's true, there are some conditions that the data should get email and a proper website and other things, which I'm going to show you further. If the things are available, the data is available, then it went through the true column. And we have a verification here as well, which will clean the job title and the company name of a prospect. If you check here, if it's not available, some of the data may be not available, then it again will go to the process of retrieving the data. So currently it's cleaning the thing. There is no data currently. When this automation will be done, it will be automatically upload all the data. Half of the work is done, and after the clearing of these tasks, another thing is merging all the data together and again filtering it in a proper way. So we have an edit field, and also we don't want to lose those data which these information are not properly filtered. So here, as you can see, a direct line going to the merger data, and again we will put it down. As you can see, half of the work is done. Now it will give us a message of LinkedIn according to the profile of our prospect. This is that workflow. This workflow is not only scrap the unlimited prospects, but as well as it will create a message on our behalf for those leads, I would say. And automatically it will auto fill all the data here in our Google Sheet. We will wait just here. This is the longest wait of 2 minutes. I intentionally put it. The reason of putting so much weight in the process is we are using OpenAI, and in OpenAI there is a limit of tokens, and we are actually going through the free version of OpenAI, so we have to be careful. So as you can see, workflow execution is done, and here you go. This is the Apollo ID, name, first name and last name of a prospect, the LinkedIn URL, the title. This I was talking about the founder, partner / insight. It is unclear. All right. The process you have seen here, clearing the job title and the name, is due to this unscattered data, and we will clean the job title and get the exact position of the person, which is founder partner, organization name, it is also clear, website they are working in, company profile, the industry, their email ID, their phone number, location, state, country, time zone, and this is what I was talking about. The outreach process, the LinkedIn summary, which is automatically generated by an well optimized and well prompt OpenAI. How we can pitch the prospect, here is the outreach message for it. And yes, this is the complete process which we'll be getting from this kind of automation, which is unlimited LinkedIn lead scraper. Now that you know what it does, let me decode it, how it works under the hood. Let's get back to the computer screen and break the N8N nodes one by one. First thing first, we will first of all log in to our N8N platform. What you will do is go to create a workflow and then just import the file which I have given you in the description, and you automatically get this workflow absolutely free. So what you are having is a lead gen form first of all, and in this form we require two things. One is Apollo URL and another is the number of prospects we are expecting. So Apollo link, where you will get it. After you get login into your Apollo, just filter out your things, that the company or location, as I am selected a United States over here, and I already created a persona, which job title I have selected a CEO or a founder, head of a department, chief operation officer, and industry I have selected marketing. So when you have done all the filters over here, just copy the URL bar and put it in the form. When you execute your workflow, a pop-up will come over and you have put it right here and just number down the leads you want to scrap. So this lead form process is done. Now another thing, it will go through the process of scrapping, and for scrapping we are using the Apify, because reason being Apollo is a way too much costly. Unlimited lead generation things, we cannot rely on Apollo price point right now. So another alternate is Apify. Just go to the Apify and it's a very simple process of signing up. Just sign up. You will land up this Apify store. Just write down Apollo scrapbook. There will be a number of actors. Don't worry, this is not so much complicated. I'm explaining it to you on a very basic. So we have selected this Apollo scrapper, scrap up to 50k leads. There are a number of others as well. Some of them keep the cookies and some of them do not require any kind of cookies. So I found this a bit correct. That is why I selected this one. So do not get confused in every other actors. This system are called actors. So every other actors perform very well. We are using our this is also a free account, so it's using a $5. First thing first, let me show you. We will select HTTPS request, then we will rename it. In the method we will select post. This is the URL, Apify URL, which you will get when you go to your Apollo Apify account. Just go to the API endpoint and here is called a run actor. You just have to copy right from here till here. Just copy and paste it here according to your enter, or if you are selected the same, then you don't have to change it. And just scroll down. You have to accept the application and JSON. Authorization is the API code for an Apify account, which is, you can see, just click on the I button. Here is the Apify. complete entire code. Just copy that and paste it here. Just put a bearer for that. Write a bearer, then the API code of Apify. Then again, just scroll down. Here is a body, which is JSON and using JSON. For each actor, there is some code they have used to define their output. So here we are using our actor JSON code. Here is the JSON code. Just copy it entirely and paste it right here. You do not have to do anything besides that. Let me just expand this. So just in the total record, just put your number and drop it here. This will generate the JSON code automatically. And same with the URL. Just pick and drop here. And it will automatically generate the URL as well. As you can see in the output here, the total record we were request was 2 and the URL which we were put in the form. So it will automatically grab the data from the form we have just created, and after that there is a wait, and then we retrieve the data. In retrieving the data, we will just select the get method, and same with the API version 2. And where will you get this kind of information, important information? Again, go to API endpoint and scroll down to the last. Just copy this get last run dataset item. Just copy, paste it over here, and after that, name again accept, and value is application JSON. Authorization is bearer, and then again our API. Max redirect is 21. So you don't have to change anything. So whatever the data is requested through the system, there should be a must-have information like LinkedIn URL is important, email ID is important, organization name, and organization primary domain name. So we have created a filter over here, and we have put it in the form of boolean in a true and a false form. And if these important items are empty, then it will consider it as a false, and if all the data information is correct and filled, then it will consider it as a true. If the statement is true, then these workflow will be followed, and if it is false, then again it will retrieve the data from the data set. If not, then I think it will wait till the correct information arrives. So moving forward, as you can see here, the data in the demo we have fetched, the job title is very unclear. So to create our LinkedIn outreach, we have to be very specified with the job title, that the person is at a certain position, so we have to call it with that only. We cannot call it the founder, partner, inside planning. So it's a data, right? We have to clean it for creating our outreach process as well. These filters are for that purpose. What you have to do is you just have to select your API account, select your model. I'm using a ChatGPT 4 model. So what you have to do is just go to the prompt section, and I have created a full-fledged optimized prompt which is tested many times, and then I land into this properly optimized prompt which will automatically clean all the unnecessarily noise from the title. And we have input will be job title uncleared, the title of prospect, and the response will be a properly clean job and an email. And moving ahead, it will went into this merge data, and again with the same thing. If you want to see, we will select our Open API account, select our model. Then again I have curated that prompt information on a number of time and land it up into a clean prompt. As you can see, the company name unclear, fonts in a clear and proper format. I have used this email in both title and the company. Reason being, there should be a point. As you can see in a merge, there should be a matching field, so that I have used email as a matching field. As you can see, email as a content, keep the matching field. And whatever the match, it will automatically add it into a fields. As you can see, a clear job, a content of email and a clean company. And then it will again merge with the properly cleaned data as well, unsettled or cluttered data as well, because we cannot lose that data as well. And after that, we again have to wait. So as I have already told you that we are using a free version of Open AI, so there is some restriction of using those tokens. So that is why I have put so much weight in the workflow. If you have using any paid version of it, I would suggest you just remove the weight, or if you're okay to wait, then I think just keep the automation as it is and the work. Now, if you're a business owner, agency or a startup founder, tired of wasting hours on manual work, Orivo AI is built for you. We help businesses to automate their repetitive tasks like lead generation, CRM updates, cold calling, voice-based customer support, follow-ups, booking, order tracking, and much more. If you are serious about scaling your business, not only just working hard, but grow your business in a smarter way, then let's just talk. Visit my website orivoai.com and book a free consultation call with me, and let's build AI power system especially for your business together. Moving ahead, this is the most important thing. Till now we just grab the information, grab the prospects, grab our leads. Now with this prompt, I have also created an outreach method, so that you don't have to invest time to think about the company or optimize your content of outreaching them according to the company. All will be done by this prompt only. So what it is, this is a output with a single JSON. If you want to read, just go through each and every line and you are free to mold it according to your requirements. So I have generated three things from this prompt. One is a LinkedIn summary, and other is outreach message, and third is company details. And currently I have just took out the company name. If you want other information, you just have to put your prompt accordingly. Feel free to modify it as per your needs. I'm clarifying it again. So yeah, and after that, this was the system prompt. I am using ChatGPT model. There is nothing, we have just selected a ChatGPT account, and this is the important thing, a structure. Whatever the Open API had created, it will be in a JSON format. So we have to structure it properly so that it get a clean way and a clean message in our Excel sheet. So what I need is a LinkedIn summary, outreach message, and company. String attached is the professional snapshot of outreach angles and unique creators. So you don't have to write for each company. It will ease your work at extent. And outreach message, so that you just have to go through once and you think if it's okay for outreaching a company like according to your prospect, then you just have to copy and publish it, and then we will land up to this Excel sheet. It is not that much complex. All you need is N8N account and free version of Apollo account as well as Apify. All I have created is a free version. When you want to scrap the unlimited LinkedIn leads, I think you should go with the paid plans, and all the links are in the description below. So there you go. Now you know how to set up unlimited LinkedIn lead generation on automation. And guess what? You don't have to build it from scratch. I am giving that template absolutely free. Just check the link in the description and hit the like button if you found value, and just smash the subscribe button if you want AI automation tutorial more, and just comment down below your queries if any. And this is Inderpreet Singh signing off.